As the high-profile legal battle between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard continues, with everyone from fellow celebrities and brands to the general public taking sides, one figure has overshadowed even the two A-list stars to become an overnight sensation thanks to her performance in court. It's none other than Camille Vasquez, Depp's fearsome lawyer. Watch the video to learn more about her impressive performance in court. Camille Vasquez is getting her moment in the spotlight following her tough cross-examination of Heard in court this week in Fairfax, Virginia. According to the New York Post, Depp's ardent fans have even lined up outside the court to catch a glimpse of Vasquez or even hug her. Depp is suing his ex-wife for $50 million in defamation, and she's countersuing him for $100 million in nuisance. The lawyer's cross-examination has also received millions of views on the internet, and fans have taken to social media to show their support for her astute tactics. Some even chastised the paparazzi for spreading rumors that Vasquez was dating Depp. "I can't believe paparazzi are asking Camille if she's dating Johnny," one Twitter user said. "Do people not understand the concept of boundaries? Allow a woman to do her job quietly." The 37-year-old attorney works as an associate of the prestigious law firm Brown Rudnick in Orange County, California. According to her law firm's website, she specializes in litigation and arbitration, emphasizing plaintiff-side defamation cases. Let's talk a bit about her. She's earned a magna cum laude degree from the University of Southern California in 2006, a law degree from Southwestern Law School, and was named one to watch by Best Lawyers in America for 2021 to 2022, according to the New York Post. She is one of many lawyers on Depp's legal team for the ongoing trial, but it appears he has a knack for selecting the best. She has a wealth of legal experience. According to her law firm's website, Vasquez has extensive experience in other legal matters. Her current practice focuses on defamation suits on behalf of plaintiffs, with additional experience litigating contract disputes, business-related torts, and employment-related claims. Meanwhile, she is adroit at formulating offensive and defensive litigation strategies for private clients, and has previously handled parallel reputation management and crisis communications issues. According to her LinkedIn page, Vasquez previously worked at a national firm in Los Angeles called Manat, Phillips & Phillips, LLP from January 2017 to March 2018. Her objection video was viewed 17 million times. Vasquez sparked outrage on social media after she was seen objecting to questions from Elaine Bredehoft, a lawyer on Heard's legal team. Vasquez was repeatedly objecting to questions Bredehoft was attempting to ask Heard at the time. According to Newsweek, the 2-minute video has been viewed over 17 million times and liked 4.6 million times as of writing. Vasquez objected on the grounds of hearsay, leading the witness, and lack of foundation, and the judge mostly upheld her objections, prompting Heard's lawyer to rephrase her questions. Finally, in exasperation, she even took a pause and said, I'm trying. She forced Amber Heard to admit to making a fake donation. According to the New York Post, Vasquez got Heard to admit she didn't follow through on a promise to donate part of her $7 million divorce settlement to the ACLU during the intense cross-examination. I've not been able to fulfill those obligations yet, the actress admitted in court. She also grilled Heard about several incidents, including whether she altered photos of herself to add bruising and whether she assaulted Depp in Australia in 2015. Heard responded, I didn't assault Johnny in Australia. I never assaulted Johnny. Also, there were rumors she was dating Depp, but they were not true. Vasquez's triumph also fueled an unfounded speculation about whether she was dating the Pirates of the Caribbean actor. According to TMZ, Vasquez emerged from the Virginia courthouse to be confronted by paparazzi about the rumors. Hey Camille, one of the photographers inquired. The public is curious. Are you with Johnny Depp? The lawyer did not respond, but instead smiled broadly and exited the scene. Vasquez is reportedly dating a British property agent and has been in a serious relationship for several months, according to TMZ. Rumors of a client-lawyer romance surfaced after Depp was seen hugging and chatting with Vasquez in court. Vasquez has garnered admiration, speculation, and adoration online over the course of the 6-week trial. She's being held up as an example for Latinas with legal aspirations. Carol Dagny gushed on TikTok, had to meet Camille Vasquez and tell her what an inspiration she is to so many Latinas. As a Latina entering my final year of law school, no one has gotten me as excited to join the field as she has, Andrea responded. According to Lucero Chavez Basilio, president of the Latina Lawyers Bar Association, a Los Angeles-based organization with a national membership, that enthusiasm could help boost law school enrollment. According to Basilio, Latinas make up only 2% of the legal profession. Despite dressing in a suit, Basilio claims she's been mistaken for a litigant or interpreter in court. court. It's critical for us to be seen as a profession and competent, so we celebrate Ms. Vasquez's ability to be a zealous lawyer, and that's enough, Basilio says. It's wonderful that she can serve as a role model, or at the very least an inspiration to other attorneys. Vasquez's killer courtroom style has also received a lot of attention online. The world waited for Camille's roasting, wrote Mina in a TikTok post. The unrivaled star of the Depp trial is Camille Vasquez. Her measured tone, incisive questions, complete command of the facts, and clear belief in her client are commendable, attorney Kathleen Zellner tweeted. Here's what other people say about her. Vasquez came in strong after a week off, which is to be expected, according to Mitra Ahurian, an entertainment attorney in Beverly Hills. Normally, you don't have much time to prepare, maybe a day, maybe an hour, before you start cross-examining, Ahurian said. Camille Vasquez had more than a week to prepare questions in response to Amber Heard's direct testimony and pivot her game plan based on Heard's answers. In addition, she exercised excellent control over Amber as a witness, keeping her on track with Depp's narrative and controlling her responses to keep her from straying into areas outside of the story Vasquez wanted her to tell. Approaching Heard's cross-examination presented some unique challenges. Anytime you cross-examine an alleged victim of domestic abuse, especially sexual violence, you have to be delicate but firm, Weber said. I think Vasquez did it. Indeed, she stated at one point that she must ask these tough questions because these are serious allegations. Heard had a week to prepare for cross-examination, to review her testimony, and prepare for the questions her team knew would be coming her way, Ahurian said. This is not typical and certainly makes for a more difficult witness on the cross, she added. Fortunately for them, Depp's team had the same amount of extra time to prepare. Vasquez's approach to cross-examining Heard was tonally strong, with the attorney occasionally interrupting, smirking, or otherwise appearing to be annoyed with the witness. When it comes to persuading the jury, this is a two-edged sword. You never want to turn off the jury, Weber explained. The jury is made up of human beings, and while they are supposed to follow only the law and facts, they do consider the behavior of attorneys. It can be a problem if an attorney becomes overly combative, arrogant, or rude. Vasquez appeared to be respectful of Heard, but she also sought to undermine Heard's credibility. It can be a difficult balancing act for an attorney. She didn't always get Heard to admit to anything. However, Vasquez's pointed questions, quick comebacks, and smirks may have given the jury the impression that Heard's stories do not add up. According to Ahurian, the strategy frequently rattles the witness, distracts them from their answers, and creates a tension that makes it difficult for the witness to get their story out. However, it can cut both ways, Ahurian added. A jury may become irritated by this line of questioning if they believe the true story is not being told, or if they believe they are being manipulated. Camille Vasquez must walk a fine line between being tough on Heard and appealing to the jury. Let us know your thoughts about Camille Vasquez. Like and subscribe to keep in touch with the latest updates.